Struggling to decide between Calendly's free and paid plans? Let's break down the key differences in just 90 seconds, so you can choose the perfect scheduling solution for your needs. First, let's look at the free plan. The biggest limitation is only one active event type. This means you can only schedule one type of meeting. You can also only connect one calendar. Great if you just have one personal or work calendar, but limiting if you use multiple. Now, let's move on to the paid plans. The biggest jump is the ability to create unlimited event types. You can also connect up to 6 calendars. Plus, you unlock key features like custom branding. Crucially, you get access to integrations with video conferencing platforms. So, which is right for you? If you just need basic scheduling for a single meeting type and calendar, the free plan might suffice. But, if you need flexibility, multiple calendar syncing, custom branding, and integration with other tools, then a paid plan is definitely worth the investment. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Carefully consider the features we discussed and choose the plan that best supports your scheduling workflow. Now go forth and schedule with confidence.